Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finally make the grass cake in Heartopia. So if you go to the planet section, like the event section, there's the adventure rally section. And I'm just going to light up one puzzle piece. Finally got the grass cake recipe, so just press on it and press learn. I think you need matcha, wheat, and milk. So let's cook one. So this is what the cra- the grass cake, all right? So here, as you can see, you'll need wheat and milk and matcha and wheat. You get this from planting like crops, and you're able to like get them when you like harvest crops. You'll just get it automatically. So let's finally cook one. All right. Let's see how long this cake is going to take. And I'm also going to see how much it's worth when I sell it to Albert. Maybe it's like a good way to discard the weeds we get from harvesting like plants, crops. This is what it looks like. Super cute. All right. This is what you need, by the way. This is the weed that I'm talking about. And yeah, I will sell it to Albert and we will see how much it costs. Okay, so I'm just going to talk to Albert here and let's see how much we can get. So 1 star is 690 gold coins, 2 is 1,000, 4 stars, 2,000. Is that more than the grape jam? I actually don't know. Do I have one? No, fortunately not. But I think you can make a lot of money from it. So yeah, if you want to make some grass cakes, you can. And might as well do that so you don't have a lot of weeds in your inventory. I might actually do that. It's actually pretty simple to make as well. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!